How is everyone? Everyone took vaccination? Yes? Everyone took vaccine or no? First dose. Am I audible to you? Who all are there? Participants? No response. Aditi, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Wait. Here my problem is there. Let me see. Okay, we shall proceed with the business intelligence roles and responsibilities here. So there are two categories, the main part. One, it is called as a project roles, and another it is called as a program roles here. So there are a lot of differences between project and program. Project means that actually you are going to work on your project. Your live example you can take about your sixth semester project here. Okay, and the program is you are up to decide. So that will work as a this what program here. So let me go for the table itself. Two categories are there. One, it is called as a program roles, and the second one, it is called as a project roles here. So inside the program roles, just remember for both program and project, both ways manager is there here. One, it is called as a program manager, and another side it is what this project manager. So here you can see, so step by step we will go. Program roles, the first one, it is what program manager, data architect, who is going to collect all the data, how he will be collecting the data. ETL, who is with the extraction, transformation and loading perfect architecture. Technical architect, while collecting of the data or while inserting of the data, updation, deletion, what kind of errors or issues is getting problems, so that can be solved. So here we have to take the help of this word, technical architect. Then the next one, it is what metadata manager. We know very well what is the metadata. It is of data here. So when you collect the data and after the process of ETL, you are about to give the meaning for that extra data here. So who will give that? What will be the responsibility of that metadata manager? And the last one, it is what BI administrator. The BI administrator is a person, he or she will look all over the program environment here, who how the program manager is working, like your TL team leader, and how the team members are working, who is taking the responsibility of collection of the data, how it is getting stored, who is working for the extraction, transformation, loading, and who is working for the technical. I mean, you can say very easily like a program manager, data architect, ETL architect, technical architect, metadata manager, how they are working. It should be monitored for them. Okay, and coming to the point, project roles, which project is about to work, like you will be having n number of projects here. So that time you are supposed to think which project has to be given more priority, how it is to be worked, who will be working for that project, who will be handling the new projects, who will be taking care of the this what requirements for your respective project. So here who will be working? So the first one, it is what business manager, second one business specialist, like you can call it as a full time or part-time, who is very perfect in project or business. Then after that, BI project manager, there is a lot of difference between business manager and project manager. And the next one, business requirement analyst here. Normally, you can use your software engineering in every model, like a waterfall model, incremental model, prototype model, Bohem spiral model. Your first step is what requirement analysis here. Before starting your project, you are supposed to take the initiative for your requirements. So how the requirement of the respective project or program is to be done, that there you have to discuss with your customers as well as your team members. Then the next one, it is what decision support analyst, BI designer here. Sorry, here two categories are there. I have not mentioned. Decision support analyst is the one, then BI designer is the one here. And the next one, it is what ETL specialist here. So both here also you can see in the program roles, ETL architect, and in the project roles also ETL specialist here. And here also you are going to have a data administrator here. So today we will begin with your program roles. I think I have completed this last class. Program manager, ETL architect, technical architect, metadata manager, administrator. So today we have to begin with your BI project team roles here. What exactly the BI project team roles here? Yes. Let me tell you before this project team roles, what is the role of project and what will be the role of program here. So here, so for a BI project, any kind of a business project here, to succeed that, you should take a help of this what senior management people here, like a senior level people here to guide you for that respective project or organization here. Okay. Then what will happen here for the BI program role? What is actually the BI program roles? Once the BI program role is done, have decided, it will be looking how your project will execute here. BI program is what only the collection of the requirements here, and BI program will take care or monitor how that project is working, how that project is actually executing. Is it executing according to the plan or no? So that is the responsibility of me BI program. And what is the project? Implement करो. Seniors का decision लेके. Take a guide of senior people. Take a guide of decision support analyst here. Actually, you are supposed to start working in your program. Since decide करते बैठो. In your project, implement. You have to start it. So let us start here. In your BI project here, the first one, the person is what? Business manager. Yes, what is a business manager? Who is the manager here? Who will be monitoring entire team? Who will be monitoring entire organization or the company here? So according to this BI project roles, the person business manager is what? He or she will act as sponsor representing user groups. Means what? He will play the role of monitoring the project team, how the project team or the people are working. Basic, who is on leave, which person is working on what kind. Now you see, no, if you all together take a group and start working on your project, and we are the guide, right? So faculties is the guide here. So the faculty is observing you people. If you are a group of 8 people, and assume that under me, Sanjana is there, Chetan is there, Tanaya, Krupa, Rishikesh, everyone are there. Assume that here, 8 members are there. So what is my duty? What Krupa is doing? How Sanjana is working for coding part? How Chetan is working for the designing part? This is what my role of the business manager. I have to look after them. I have to guide them. If any of the problem is that they will come to me, but I don't know the if coding error is there, I don't know the solution. I just check what problem you are having and I will contact to the respective project team, another members here. हाँ ये error आ गया है, थोड़ा देखो, बस हो गया. This is what the business manager will monitor the project team from the user group perspective here. And then what are the responsibilities here? He or she will act as a sponsor. I have to sponsor, no, representing the user group, the target customer of the project here, like target customer. I will tell you, team Krupa and team here. This is the target project here. You are supposed to work very fast here. I am the sponsor here. Then for other team, I will give some next project here. Okay. Then the monitors the activities of a project team, how the activities are working, how Chetan is working for the designing, how long he is taking your help of other his team members, what kind of design he is using, what kind of training he is taking, or specialist he is finding out here. Okay. Then addressing the business issues identified by the project manager. Addresses business issue identified by a project manager here. Now project manager is also there in the project role here. Okay. So what problem is getting by the project manager, that he has to check what problem is there, and after finding out the problem he can decide for the solution here, where he can contact to the program manager. Why? वहां से ही हमारा decide हो गया ना. So you have to contact to the respective program manager. This is a problem we are facing. Can you give me some alternate idea here so that we can work on this here? Okay. So addresses the business issues identified the project manager here. So business manager work is what? Acting as a sponsor, monitoring all the activities of the project team and problems which is given by the project manager. Okay. Second one, it is what? BI, business specialist. Each project team requires at least one full-time employee. Now your project will be there here. One person should be there in your team who is working full-time. What is the job of Chetan? He will work on only designing. What is the job of Sanjana? She will work only on coding part here. So one person should be there who is working on entire thing. Not working, monitoring, at least monitoring. If coding problem is there, immediately he has to give the solution. If designing problem is there, he has to give the solution. So one, you should be having at least one full-time employee resource having expertise in the business area of focus here. One expert person should be there who is having a more experience. What problems will be there? What risk has to be taken? How you are supposed to work on when the this what threats are coming like this. Now in this what pandemic situation also, how the project is getting worked, that is also available. Then BI business specialist helps in identifying the suitable data usage and the structure for the business information functional area. Here you can see here, he or she has to check the kind of data you are supposed to collect, which is being done by the ETL team. Then the knowledge of BI specialist ensures that information is identified correctly at required level itself. Now in your software engineering, you are having a kind of model which is called as an incremental data model. So you have to identify for each step whether the task, whatever the task is there at the respective level, is done correctly or no. Take an example of this what coding level. You should ensure that the coding part has been done correctly without any errors here, so that you can proceed to the next level here. So here also the same thing, information is identified correctly at required level itself here. If you are at the stage of the requirement, make sure all the requirements are gathered properly, analyze it, verify it, validate it, then go for the next step. Okay. Then the second role, it is what? All modes of accessing, analyzing the data are enabled here. Modes of accessing. Now your business comes in, data also will come in. So whoever is about to access that respective data, now I say select star from VI sixth semester students here who have given me the assignment. It is not only from my side, it should be given for others also here. The kind of mode should be there here. So all modes of accessing, analyzing data are enabled here. It should not be disabled here. Everyone should have that capacity to check the respective data which is being done by business specialists. And here also, last one I had told you, identify suitable data usage. Whatever the data you have gathered from the ETL, you are supposed to find out where this data will be useful, where this data is not useful. Are you going to discard this data or you're going to retain that? Okay, and the structure for the business, because to start any kind of a project, you are supposed to have a respect to structure. Without the structure or without the flow of the business, it will not work. So this is the business specialist here. Just remember your first point: one person should be there, a full-time employee here. Then next one, BI project manager, the one person who is having n number of responsibilities. Now, for your reference sake, I have given only few this what responsibilities. If you refer from your text, it has a lot of this what responsibilities are there. I will just go through it and I'll tell you. Okay, the BI project manager takes up the responsibility of leading the project and ensuring the delivery of all the project needs. Your first step it is what you are supposed to lead the project with. Now you are 2 days or 1 week back, your project of your all the team members, like this what I say, council members, yes, student council members. Your first project what it was to take a workshop. I don't know what kind of a workshop it is. Maybe it is a website building or HTML all there. Okay, whichever it is there. Yes. So your first project it is what you are supposed to lead that. Who was leading? First, it is what Chetan and Sanjana had decided. To whom they will tell Divya and who is that Manjunath here. So both of them, they are leading the respective project here. They are finding out how your project will work, who will take the training, who will work on what kind of a laptop, what kind of a application you are going to work with. So it is the responsibility of leading the project and ensuring the delivery of all the project needs. Okay, and also the project manager business translates the business needs into technical terms. I'll repeat, he will translate all the business terms in your technical words. Because now I say, assume that I don't know any of the technical words. I will go to Sanjana and Chetan. I want to build a website. I want the website from you people. I want such kind of interface. I want the menus and it should be having a submit normal. The data has to come near me. I'll take in what normal conversation. So this is my business terms. So what is the job of Chetan and Sanjana? They will collect all my terms of business and they are trying to understand in the project language, technical language. Okay, and ensures the adherence to all the business standards and BI processes here. You are having a kind of standard, no? So you should follow your business standards here. If you say we will deliver in the next month, so you are supposed to follow it. You cannot say the delay part here. If there are some of the reasons to say that, you have to follow that also. Okay. So the responsibilities are understands and analyzes existing business process with the help of decision support system and this what executive information system here means what. Now see, no, yes, in your project you are having the two things. Wait, what you will say that existing project and what you will say one more in your project it is there, see, existing project and one more part is there, see. Can anyone message me in the chat box? Two things are there in your project synopsis. While giving the synopsis, you had mentioned that I'm not able to remember existing project and planned project will be there. See, existing matlab you are having already the project is there for you people, and what you are going to implement the new things here. Okay, so here understands and analyzes existing business process, what already it is available, and you have to take the help of this what decision support executive information system to understand their functionality here. Take the help of what decision support people who will take the decision or what decision has been taken currently for your respective project, what you are going to implement, what decision can be changed, and how the senior level management people have taken the decision for your respective project, how you can implement further here. Okay, anticipate and judge what user wants here. Now I am the user, no, I have told to Sanjana and Chetan, you have to judge me what exactly I want. You have to ask me properly. Okay. Then they will plan project here, motivate the team members, evaluate the team members here. They will decide how the project planning should be done, like a weekly, monthly. You need now also you are this what project plan is there. See, hardly you take 2 months for coding, 1 month for designing. So that project plan should be there. Then after that, motivate the team members. Of course, you have to motivate. काम करो. No making delay. थोड़ा struggle करो. Efforts डालो. Everything you will say here. That is the motivate team members. Audio may not be fully recorded. Why? Okay. Motivate the team members, evaluate the team members. Like you have to check who is working very hardly, whose performance is very good. Then after that, assess and monitor risk here. Yes, what risks are there? What failure you can do it? How you have to overcome that respective failure? Then coordinate with program and project manager. Yes, with program manager you have to coordinate also the project manager. Like you are itself the project manager, you should have a coordination with other project also. Now suppose I don't know who all are doing what kind of a project is that. Someone is doing online attendance project and some other is doing this what ERP. ERP only it is there. So these are the two projects, no? So online, what I said, hospital management system and ERP. So these both the project managers should be coordinated with each other here because data will be getting fluctuated or data collection will be same here. And you should coordinate with your program manager also because from there itself the collection has come here. Implement a specific warehousing standards here. Means what because you are going to collect the data, no, ETL, with the help of ETL, where it is about to store for the data warehouse. So from there, whatever the data warehouse standards are there, how you are going to store, how the extraction will be followed, how the transformation will be followed, and how the loading will be done in the respective data warehouse. So that should be done here. That should be done. Okay. Then here a number of things are there. Let me read. Manage expectations of the project. Then develop project plan for increment or project here. Then assess risk that I have told you. Manage expectations. Manage project. Understand organizational architecture. Implement warehousing specific standards. Communicate with all the team members. With all the team members. It is not that you have to communicate with the coding people. You have to communicate with the design. Everyone you have to communicate. So that is what the he or she is called as a project manager. This is done. Then the next one, it is what? Business requirement analyst here. What is the first step of your software engineering waterfall model? Of course, you will start with your requirement gathering, right? So to start a project, before starting the project here, you have to take a help of this what requirement analyst. You have to take a guide from that person. What collection you have taken, what kind of a designing part you have there. Designing part is there that you have to go on checking here. Okay. Find the user requirements. Find out what user is interested, what kind of a requirements he or she wants. Find out me. Chetan Sanjana will contact me. Ma'am, what kind of a requirements you want? How your project, how your website should look, how interface should be there, what data you have idea. They have to ask me. Work with architect to transform requirement into technical specification. Whatever the requirements you have gathered from me, they have to now start working with the architecture. Actually, the people who are going to start working for implement the respective project, who will take care of the designing part, who will take care of the coding part, who will take care of the data collection in the technically way here, and helps to identify the potential data sources here. Helps to identify the potential data sources, and also that it is the main job of the requirement analyst is that you should have a handshake between the end users and the BI project team and performance requirement gathering. I will tell you the example. For me, project manager is what? Chetan. Okay. And I'm the end user. I'm the customer here. And project manager is Chetan. Okay. Yeah? And Sanjana is what? Requirement analyst here. So I and Sanjana will be in a contact for my project ideas here. What I want, what kind of a website I want. She will collect all the requirements from me. And Chetan is what we are project manager here. What Chetan will do, Chetan will make me this what I say that introduce to the Sanjana that man, whatever your requirements are there, you can contact this here. And also Chetan will give me the idea in his team, I mean, in his team, who all are building the project with. Have a look till then. Then the next one, it is called decision support analyst here. What is the job of the decision support analyst? Take a decision based on the requirements, based on the project. What problem you are facing? Take quickly the decision. What is the? It is a job that expert on issues surrounding business objects. Whatever the issues are there, business objectives here, that issues you have to note it down. What are the questions and the problems, and in obtaining and presenting the required data to address the same issues here. If you are having a kind of problem, you have to give them a data. This is what the issue, and we are about to take the decision. Are you okay with this or no? Okay. Then here the responsibilities will be like educate users on warehousing capabilities. More problem will come for the data only here. Coding, what it is okay, but data problem only will be there here. So educate the users on warehousing capabilities here. Now you are going to give me the website, no? So you have to train me. Like what will be the problem for your data insertion? Now suppose the normal example here. If you have given phone number as this what university number as only number 123, but you have created this what no, wait, I have taken some example. Normal password, it will be checking. See, you have to create a password. Password should have first letter should be capital, special letter should be there, and number should be there. So you have to tell me what kind of a password I have to give here. So that is for the educate users on warehousing capabilities here. What will be the data size? How much data I can enter? So that is it. Design training infrastructure. Okay. Analyze business information requirements here. Map requirement to suit business functional model here. You are supposed to take the requirements from the customer or the clients, and you have to map it that should be suitable for the respective business here. Okay. Develop the decision support system and executive information system applications here. You now whoever is the design decision support analyst, he or she should be develop like taking more and more best decision for any kind of issues here. Like improvement should be there here, and also for the executive information senior here. Here also you have any number of roles are there. Train VI users, plan acceptance test here, write users guide, develop training materials, develop internet and intranet delivery applications. If you are having the internet problem, what you can give the solution. Classify the business users by type. What kind of users are, whether the casual users or the power users. Then after that, convert the existing report application to the environment. Whatever your project is there here, existing report is there, that should be you have to tell to the person taking example, assume that you have to say that this is a problem, what solution you can do it here. You are supposed to from the text, I mean from the notebook, what problem is there, that you have to tell them. Execution should be there, implementation. Purposely try to put the errors and rectify it here. Then over. Interface with project process teams regarding business process re-engineering. So this is also not. This is a decision support analyst. I think yes, BI designer. Only three are there. Yes, let us find up soon. BI designer here. What is a designer? I can say immediately. For me, Chetan Desai is the designer. Whoever is going to develop the website here. So what he has to do? What are his responsibility? Even he has a lot of responsibilities and roles. He aims at designing the data structure for optimal access, performance, and integration. He will be giving the different models. Ha, Sanjana, you do admin model. Then after that, who is that? Tanaya, who you do the customer model, you do the faculty model, student model, everything it is there. It is now the Chetan's responsibility to collect all those models and integrate it together. Same way in your business also, data structure is there. Designer must maintain the balance of the needs in both design and content. He is not only going to do the design, but what contents are there, that also should be there. Must always keep both the current and the future demands. What current is there, what existing is there, and what can be changed and how it can be implemented here. Okay, the works of the BI designer and BI data architects are closely same. Now let us see here. Create logical, physical, and structural staging area model. Now I'll tell you what exactly the staging area. The staging area will come for your data. Means what Chetan will decide from where the data he has collected source and where he will put target. Collection source to target here. How the data has been collected from the source and how it is getting inserted for the target here. Okay, here you can see collect all the different data here and you decide where all target has to be done here. The same way, create logical, physical, and structural dimensional model. We have learned the is what different dimensional model for architecture. Then what is ETL? It is the job of extraction, transformation, and loading here for this. Understand both the source and target BI systems here, from where the data has been collected from the different sources here, and how we are going to store that respective data in the data warehouse. That is a target. Identify and assess the data sources. Then after that, you are supposed to train how the extraction of the data has to be done, how the transformation of the data has to be done here. Side by start giving the attendance, don't leave the class here. Okay, side by start giving the attendance, don't leave my class. Okay, design and develop transformation code, build and test the data transformation. Every for extraction, there is a training. How we are going to design that. For the transformation also there is a training, and how we are going to load here. Okay, and the last one, it is what database administrator, who is a person going to monitor entire project here for the purpose of data here. So design and implement and tune database schemas here. How the structure of the data should be there, table should be there here. Then after that, manage storage space and memory here, because capacity should be there, no hard disk or what here. Manage user accounts and privileges here. Who is going to access that respective data and who are going to have the authority here to access that data here. Log technical action reports here. Login, logout should be there here, and maintain backup and recovery documents here. Yes, of course, because for the data always you should have a backup and recovery also should be there. If the data has got corrupted, how recovery can be done here. So this is what the project roles over. We have completed with your program and as well as the project roles. And your second unit notes will be given soon. It is already there. Some changes I have to make it. Once it is done, we'll submit for you. Not to worry. Thank you. You can leave my class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and take vaccine. Request you to give the attendance if you have not given, please.